Hello all, this is my third task for GRIP July 2021 provided by the Sparks Foundation. So in this task I'll be performing exploratory data analysis using Tableau on Superstore data. So this is my public Tableau sheets and dashboard. So this is my first sheet in which I have grouped the sales and profits according to categories and subcategories. These are my three categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. And the subcategories can be seen by hovering over these colors. So in furniture I have tables, furnishings, chairs, and bookcases. And in office supplies I have supplies, storage, paper, labels, binders, art, appliances. And in technology I have phones, machines, copiers, and accessories. This is the color coding for my subcategories. So each color, that is blue, represent this accessories, so orange represent the art, and so on. So by hovering over this I can see that my for tables under the category furniture, my profit was in negative, which is 17,725 to be precise, and sales was 2,06,966. Similarly, if I see for office supplies subcategory under office supplies category, I'll see that my profit was 34,000 and my sales were 78,479. And in technology, if I look under the subcategory phones, my profit was 44,516 and my sales were 3,30,000. And this is my plot for profit, and this was my plot for sales. So under the category furniture, for this furnishing subcategory, my profit was 13,059 and my sales were 91,705. For labels, my profit was 5,546 and sales was 12,486. So using these filters I can further group this sales and profit. So maybe if I only want to see my sales and profit only for the central region, I would my plot would somewhat look like this. And maybe if I wanted to look at sales and profits from central as well as south region, my plot would look something like this. And maybe if I select all the regions and maybe a few of the cities, like these, it's taking some time to load. So if I select these maybe four cities, then my profit and sales plot would look somewhat like this. These are my sales and profits and the color coding for these. Now I'll move to the second sheet where I've grouped my city and region wise profit and sales. So basically I'll select all the cities and all the regions, and I can see that my minimum profit was negative 8400 and maximum profit was a positive 8400, and my minimum sales were negative 22,000 and maximum sales were positive 22,000. This is my plot. So all the green colors are representing the positive, and all the red colors like these are representing the sales or profit as negative, towards the negative direction. So in the central region for Detroit City, my profit was 4,946, and my sales were these for different point of times it's showing different, and these are all adding up to this length. Now if I want to see only a particular region, let's say I want to see only south region, then my sales and profit plot would look somewhat like this. These are the X scale readings for profit and sales. You can see by hovering it over the different values for profit and sales, the negative as well as the positives. And similarly I can select a few cities out of this, like some particular cities. If I want to choose only these two cities, uh, then I'll be able to see only the city and region wise profit and sales for only these two cities. And now I'll move to the third sheet. So this sheet represent the sales and profit for the regions. So I'll see central, east, south, west. These are my four regions, and this is my profit and sales plot for these four regions. And you can see that the reds are the negative profit and the blues are the positive profit, and the sales were never negative, they were always positive. So this is how my profit and sales graph looks like. Now this is my final dashboard. So this final dashboard contains all of the three sheets that I have discussed, and when I select maybe only one region out of these, my graph changes totally. I can see the changes if I select two regions here. I'll see that my plot has changed to cover only the central and east region and all the cities that come under these two regions. I can also choose only a few cities like Atlanta, Bristol, and maybe Chandler. These three cities I have chosen, and they belong to east, south, and west regions. And what my profit plot for these looks like this. So my profit for Atlanta, it sums up to this maximum of this, and which is around 7k, and my profit for Chandler sums up to this somewhat 500, maybe 500 or maybe 200, somewhat around 200. And For Bristol it's going towards the negative. And my sales for Atlanta are maximum here in only these four cities. And for categories and subcategories, these are my sales and profits under these three categories and the subcategories. For Bristol, Atlanta, Bristol, and Chandler. And this is my region wise sales and profit graph. So that's it. Thank you.